वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। आई डोंट नो मैं आज ये क्यों दिखा रही हूँ, बस मेरा मन किया। ये तो बहुत पहले मिल गया है, हम 4 लाख सब्सक्राइबर्स भी क्रॉस कर लिए हमने। ये तो 1 लाख का था, बट आई एम वेटिंग फॉर द गोल्डन बटन राइट हियर। So let's increase our subscribers count and let's get the golden button also very soon. Anyways, for today's video guys, on your great demand since a long time, I am finally doing this video. उसमें यार बहुत मेहनत लगी है सच्ची। मतलब मी, मम्मा, शगुफ्ता, all of us, even रोहित, हमने बहुत मेहनत की है। Okay, so this is my jewelry collection guys, and I'm so sorry. मैं सब नहीं सेट कर पाई because it's too much of work. So I decided कि मैं आपको दिखाने के साथ साथ ही सब कुछ सेट भी कर लूँगी. Okay, so let me start with a very easy thing. Okay, so this is basically my Navratri ka jewelry box. You know, we usually wear the oxidized jewelry on Navratri. So this is like a very nice neck piece for Navratri. Here we have this, and then we have some more neck pieces right here. Yeah, actually I have put it in plastic because I barely use this. This is like just once a year. So ये है. Then we have this. This is a very nice and beautiful tikka with a nut. So this is like this oxidized tikka. We have this. Then we have this nut. It's like you can just put it around with this, like this. So this is like the Navratri ka nuts. Okay, so but I like बाकी ये सब पायल है, you know, just to put it on your feet. I really love this. It's very pretty. Then I have some earrings for Navratri. We have this. Then we have another oxidized earring. These two. Okay, so this is my favorite pair from Navratri. These are another pair of payals. I really love them because they make really beautiful sound. This is like uska matching एक neck piece. You can just see this. And ये उसके 2 earrings हैं. And the tikka. So this was like my Navratri collection. I'll just keep putting those things on the side जो हमने cover कर ली हैं already. So you know we don't have like a hassle happening around. I guess ये जो YouTube वीडियो है ये हम थोड़ा साइड पे कर देते हैं. नजर नहीं लगनी चाहिए. So इसे हम साइड पे कर देते हैं. Okay, now I'll show you my party wear earrings. Okay, जो मैं parties में usually पहनती हूँ. So let me start with my hoops. Hoops. Everybody loves hoops. Hoops हर किसी costume के साथ चले जाते हैं. So these are silver hoops, but I like to kind of have a different sort of design for them. So ये 2 silver hoops हैं. Then I have another pair of really interesting golden hoops. These are one of my favorites. I haven't styled them as properly yet, but still, here they are. Like they are huge, and इसपे लिखा है Queen. So these are them. Okay, another pair of hoops, and these earrings, as you can see. इधर आ जाओ आप. Come here, see them. So these are one pair. ये है. Another pair of silver hoops. I'll just take them on the side. More hoops. Wait, let me get all the hoops here. Okay. So we have these pearl wale hoops over here. Then another pair of bade wale silver hoops right here. इसका पैर है एक like थोड़े बहुत stylish hoops, little bit the glitter and stuff over here. All these pearl hoops, these golden hoops, again like smaller ones, and ये मुझे बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं. These are like with the pearls, सारे ऐसे crystallized sort of. These are my favorite. I'll show them to you. these pink ones. I really love them. These ones. Okay, question for you guys. Tell me how many hoops do I have in total? Okay, so you can just check out this video. All my hoops are right here, over here. So you can just count the number of hoops and tell me कितने hoops है इस video में and how many hoops do I have in total. Alright, and I'll also reply to their comment if your answer is correct, guys. So all the best. So we're done with the hoops, putting them on the side. Now, okay. Now these are another pair of my favorite earrings. These are like थोड़े बड़े हैं, but I really like them for some reason. These are like these, you know, feathers or earrings right here. Then these are just some more earrings. Some hoops again. Okay, very good. Then these are another pearl earrings that we have over here, right here. And ये भी बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं मुझे. These are the funky, you know, neon sort of earrings, perfect for a party. These are again hoops. Some more pair of earrings over here, right here, as you guys can see. I really like these ones as well. Then we have these tassels, these green tassels. I've never actually styled them, but I really like them. You can ask which color should I wear with this? Which color costume should I wear with this? So you guys just suggest me how should I style these green tassels? Which color costume should I wear these green tassels with? So I'll get some ideas because I have not been able to wear them with any of my dress. Then we have another big golden earrings right here. And these are my favorite, like one of my favorites. This face golden earrings right here. As you can see, I really like them. Some more tassels, some more hoops, but with these dried feathers. I really like them. They look very pretty when you wear them. These leaves, sorry, the dried flowers. Okay, these are the funky earrings. यार मेरे ना और भी funky earrings थे. I have no idea where have they gone. I might have lost them or something. या किसी bag में होंगे. Oh, these are another pair of funky earrings that I have over here. I'll not keep them here. Then these are also very pretty. I got these from an exhibition. Actually, she gifted them to me because she used to watch my show and stuff. That was really sweet of her. This has like a mask and then here they are. These are also very pretty. बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं पहने हुए. ये कब आया मेरे पास? Oh, this is lovely. These are earrings, but like a moon and a star together. Something like this. Oh, sorry. Something like this. Very pretty. I didn't know I have them. Wow! I'm discovering new things in my own collection, people. Okay guys, let's make this an earrings video. बाकी सारी jewelry. I'll make a part 2 of this, so you can take this like a jewelry collection. Part 1, just the earrings, because this is too much. And I'm tired. I'm tired. Okay. Then we have another black earrings over here, right here. These are also very pretty because you kind of wear these differently. Because see, this is like just a hoop. So you can see this and you just put it here. You know? So it's like this. I'm sorry, this is very tangled right now. But another piece. This is also another piece. These are also pretty earrings, like whenever you need some color to your golden touch, you can always have that. This is another, you know, this cheetah print, leopard print, whatever you call it, Another pair of hoops and stuff, small hoops, big hoops, star-shaped hoops that you have. Then these are some fish earrings. One of my fans gifted this to me. So this is there. Then we have these silver and black earrings right here. And another piece of this. Quite cute. See, it's like this. here. ये सब अभी कौन संभालेगा मम्मा इसके बाद? Mama. And these are also very nice. Like, you know, if you want to wear something, something cute but something not very over the top, so these really help when you want to add some color. These are another white and golden earrings. These are also like them. See, these are also very pretty. They look very nice right here. And these are also like, you know, when you just want like something long and nice, so these should help. Okay, this was a pendant. I thought मैं आपकी सारी jewelry दिखाऊंगी आज, but वो मैं आपको बाद में दिखाऊंगी. So that's is for part 2. Now I'll show you some of my traditional jewelry, like my traditional earrings, not entire jewelry. So these are some golden ones. These look very pretty when you need some nice heavy look, you know, with some lehenga or something like that. This also really complements, especially the kind of face cut that I have. So such, you know, kind of this line earring looks very nice. It looks very pretty. I'll just show it to you. See, looks very pretty. Oh yeah, right here. So this is there. What else? Then you have this chotu sa, when you want to wear something chotu. Then you have this really beautiful, elegant royal piece right here. This also looks very nice. When you want to add some color, so this really does wonders. A red jhumka over here. Yeah, jhumka comes on mama's demand. I'm not much of a jhumka person, but mom really likes them. So here's another this thing. Earring. These are also really pretty jhumkas. These I also like, actually. Like for a change, I like jhumkas. Another piece of earrings right here. Oh, this is my favorite. You have to see this. I wore this on Holi, this Holi, and I love them. I absolutely love them because like these are my type. Look at this. Very pretty, very girly, teenish, and I just love the colors that this has. And you know this flowy thing. No way, Mama. Mama, पता नहीं मुझसे क्या करवा रहे हैं. You can make a tikka with this.
See, it's looking so pretty.
No, Mama, this is too much. This is too much, guys. This is too much, right? Please let me know in the comments so that I can show Mama and tell her that this is too much. Okay, this is done. Another piece of ear. Abhi na, I'll just show it to you. यार मैं बार बोल रही हूँ earrings. This is there. We have this over here. This is a set actually with a ring and earrings. Please help me display these. Thank you so much. Please take Shagufta. Say hi, Shagufta. Okay, she is the one behind, you know, my YouTube videos. And Rohit जो कभी कैमरा के सामने आई नहीं है, but वो बहुत मेहनत करते हैं. This is very pretty. ये पहनावा भी बहुत अच्छा लगता है. See, this is another girly color that we have, and you can pair it up and you know wear big jhumkas but still look very nice and teenish. So another piece of jewelry. This is kind of western only, so I'm keeping these with the western earrings. Then we have थोड़े traditional type के hoops. And please help me. जब तक guys, जब तक earrings थोड़ी display हो रही है, pan the camera. दिखा दो ये बाकी ज्वेलरी इधर है. ये जब तक छोटे इयरिंग्स डिस्प्ले हो रहे हैं because I'm very tired, तब तक I'll show you my छोटे वाले earrings, the western earrings, the small ones. Like I'm wearing one of them actually today. You can see the small pink cutesy butterfly and like a matching sort of ring. But anyways,
Get that out for the ask.
we have this as well over here. Then another piece of these earrings, छोटे वाले. These are also small ones. These are another छोटू earring over here. This is one of my favorites because you know this is like this entire thing over here. So this looks very pretty. Then we have this as well. another piece of small earrings. Then just some more colorful earrings over here. And just some more pearls and the red color lips. I guess we're done with most of them. So guys, that was for my earring collection. I'm sorry, I actually want to make a jewelry collection, but it was too much for, just to compile in one video. So I'll surely come up with a part 2 very soon. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon to not miss any update. Fan of the week, guys, is Vidya Verma. Congratulations. You had a very sweet comment and a very big one. So thank you so much for just placing me as your inspiration and your idol. It means a lot to me. Thank you. Lots of love to you back, Vidya. And those of you who haven't been the fan of the week yet, guys, you can comment below with your name and I have subscribed, so I might take your name in my next video. Till then, loads of love. I hope you enjoyed this. Like, I made this on your demand, so I hope your demand is fulfilled. Now I'll try to make more such interesting videos that you guys like. And just let me know how many hoops do I have in total. That question is there, and a few more questions that I've asked throughout the video. I'll be going through your comments, and lots of love. Take care.